You can make your own hydrating lip mask using honey and coconut oil. Just mix equal parts honey and softened coconut oil in a bowl and apply a thick layer to your lips. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then rinse your lips off. You can also use mashed avocado or muddled cucumber in place of coconut oil. To make an easy exfoliating lip mask, mix 1 part honey with 2 parts sugar in a bowl. Gently massage the mask into your lips. Then let it sit for 10 minutes before rinsing it off. You can also make an exfoliating lip mask by mixing 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons, 26 grams of sugar, and 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters of petroleum jelly. Massage the mixture into your lips for 1 minute, then rinse it off with water.